Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a document read-only on ClickUp. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say you got started using ClickUp and you're creating some scopeful works, but you don't want your team members to accidentally make changes. How do you actually go ahead and make a document read-only on ClickUp? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So here we have a few documents, and let's take this scope of work for Maria, for example. Now, once you're on this document, click on the three dots on the upper right-hand corner, and then you're going to see this page here called Protect This Page or Protect This Document. Now, just as a disclaimer, this is going to require you to upgrade your membership, but once you toggle this on, what this is that it locks your documents to prevent unplanned edits. So it basically just makes your document read-only. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and make documents read-only on ClickUp. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.